Hello guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. My name is Ramshek and in this video I'm going to talk about create before destroy in Terraform. So there is a concept called create before destroy in lifecycle. So let me explain how it is going to work. Whenever if you change the name of any server in Terraform and if you give Terraform apply, it will modify the property. As well as if you give any change to security group, it is going to modify. As well as if you change anything in instance type, that is going to modify. But if you try to change AMI or key pair, server is not going to modify. Instead, it is going to recreate. But in the concept of recreation, Terraform is always going to destroy the existing server first and going to create the new one later. But if I want to alter the process, that means I want to create the new server first and later I want to delete the existing one. So in that case, I'm going to use the concept called create before destroy. So this is one of the most frequently asked question Terraform certification. So have a look on it. Thank you.